Good morning, mate, and welcome to the snowy frontier of Manitoba. Now today, we can't do anything work on the workshop because one, the roof's not here and it won't be here till like next week, which sucks because now there's snow. Like, it sucks because, and also we're waiting on the order for the hinges because I've decided I'm not going to be using these old farm gate hinges. I have some nice seamed hinges there. They come and they be putting this on for the big door that's being supported right now. But I go inside my dirty workshop where they do some work organizing and cleaning this corner out, getting it prepped for my grinder because I want that in. As you can see, there's snow in here. Ooh, the echo is kind of cool though. There's snow in here. My camera stand is, oh, snow. This is not what I wanted. I wanted the roof on before snow. Oh well, we'll figure it out. We'll make it work. Probably going to have to, because my hinges aren't in, I'm probably going to have to, because I have to phone them Monday and be like, hey, where are they? We're probably just going to have to move the door out and open a bit, so it'll just be covering half for now, which sucks because I really prefer the door, especially when I have the heater on in here. But I mean, I don't have the roof right now, but especially when I get the roof on, have the heater on in here, it'd be nice to have that door closed. But we will have to see. I don't normally leave my workshop in a mess, but that night I was working on the door by myself. I got sick and tired of it, so. There's always a lot of stuff to clean up around here, but first we're going to be doing some yard work, which is like shoveling off the deck, getting that done. Taking out all the burnables, getting that done, because when you work on a farm and live on a farm, we don't have trash that comes and picks up our trash every day, so burnables we burn, but then what we do is we use the ashes for our garden in the spring. Especially if you mix it with topsoil. I also like to take the ashes and spread it out on the trail because ashes by themselves have too many nutrients and stuff like that, and sometimes they have dead nutrients which plants can't use, so it makes the trail actually kind of nice. Yeah, let's get to work.
We found each other when we both were lost. I tried to hold you back. Never thought I'd fall in love again. I know the pain of being broken hearted and blame myself. So would you stay?
So the reason we burn all our paper and stuff is like, one, confidential papers, they all get burned. It's easy. It's just paper. We don't burn plastics and stuff just because try and be good to the environment.
You're just in my head. I'll go on in my life, and memories in my mind.
So it's nighttime now. As you can see, it's cold, so I got the heater going. The reason it's night, I had to go and do some school stuff in class, and so yeah, now it's night. It's dark out. You can't see out my window. I moved, there was a toolbox right here. It's now been moved out to the garage. I got to clean out all its pipes. And then we're going to be taking some of this metal and putting this metal on the walls, because this is where my grinder is going to sit. It's right here in this corner. So, that's the nice thing about it too, is I can open my door fully again. Oh, that is cold. Okay, close. It's cold out, so I'm happy to have propane again and heat my workshop with propane.
And I'll try to heal my scars with a love that
Yes, it's still cold in here, but now the section is done. As you can see, the sides are all metaled up for this bad boy, because it's just, the reason I've done this is saying when she sparks and stuff, I want a little bit more protection against the wood. And also there's insulation. The only part of the insulation this entire building has is behind this metal, so don't want that to catch fire and burn. The dog bed, and there's the garage that you've been watching. If you've been staying along the videos, there's the garage behind there. And now we also have good old, if I tighten this, that's loosening. Good old vice grip. Funny enough, I got this grinder for like, I think 50 bucks. Yeah, I've got this grinder for 50 bucks at a garage sale. I just bought this brand new, this vice, for 50 bucks. So, yeah, an awesome, like this is old. This is an awesome old grinder. Alright. Yay! So that's going to be the end of this video. As you've seen today, I've just worked on small stuff around the farm. Got some stuff done with the workshop. Opened the door. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Probably not. Well, here. See if that's enough light. Drag the sled and the new sled motor in here. This sled that I dragged in here into the garage for now is going to be built for my father for this Christmas. So that's his Christmas gift. So yeah, now it's all done. We're all ready. It's time to call it a night. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Follow your dreams. Peace.